What?
Noi Sounds Effects.
Time for some rest. Wait, what are Bear's the sheep doing here? That's weird. Oh well. Hey guys, I'm home. It's been a long day with a lot of burning and wait, this doesn't look right. Something doesn't look right. What's going on? I changed my floor. Hi sheep. Did you notice anything suspicious around here recently? Well, I guess I'll fix this up. Doesn't look right. And yeah, ow! What the? Where'd that come from? Anvils? Ow! Yeah. Oh no! Yeah, silverfish! Ow! Where did all these anvils come from? Ow!
Woohoo! Oh no! He's trying to blow up the house! Oh no, we need to get out of here! Come on!